Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Kot Admission nagbenta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka Buy Admission ka Badunatam, but 6% ka Jinyokam. Pilaru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Kumujing Pynlong di Samla Plie ke beranjung temu ban Seng Lajong ke William Carey University harengkat ke juga trelang bagi Prime Hub Meghalaya ke Pynlong da ke student Pynlong Expo Confess acara pausan ha William Carey University ke badan Hanom Song. Kini ke Expo kelas dang menta ke pusat trik barkan kod la syai ke sengi ke pesantren Uyayong acara arpusan. Kiblon menyeshim benta ha ke Expo ki kinthop pi ki Samla Plie juga University barkum joru kita ki wepat kinong sengkam kiblas dang lupa ye ke kam jongki. Habikan bu assistant manager jangka Prime Hub uba aiban khrau ku par kharnari ulong bagajing temu jangka ni ke Expo kalau men Pynlong ke Samla Plie kumno bikin la benjeng halaki jangki kejan daga baseng kam Lajong khnang ba mekiru ha ko wege sngi kin kelalong kidong ai kam ki wepat namar bahagan gejuk menta kalong ke be panyo kam sarkar. Ulong baka Prime Hub ke keluar banyarap daga pisai ke Samla bikin Seng yiki kam Lajong leraka sarkar ke yoi bagi tagi kam jongki ke dei hok ban yo yiki jingyarap baka nyarap ru ban thaulat ban penya yo yiki mar bagi penmi. Layo ru banyak keren bu director EDC ke William Carey University uba alert Archie Rembai kumjuk ru ki Samla Plie ki buan bende yiki mar ki bagi penmi.
Thank the college or the university for inviting Prime to be part of this, and we are very honored to come and have this exhibition open, and I wish that everything happen for today and tomorrow and all the entrepreneurs to have good sales and success. Thank you so much.
Everyone, my name is Bishaka Gurung and I'm here along with my partner Pynlong Sage. So me and my partner, we both are very excited and happy about this opportunity given by the Prime. And so today for today we have really good menu. First we have the chicken momos which is only for 50, and then the second one we have like aloo chop which is only 15. And then next we have is veg momos which is only for 30, and then lastly we have Singju. It's a very healthy Manipuri snack, so it's made without oil, so and it's also for 30. So and then me and my partner, it's our first time experience and we are doing this for experience and to learn more from other people's stalls as well. So that's it. We are doing this for the experience and we hope that we learn even more. That's it for. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Valerie Arumnong. I'm a student of William Carey University. Today I'm going to talk about the NEP 2020 which revised the education system and included the SEC, that is Skill Enhancement course. So the SEC paper that I'm taking is Entrepreneurship Development, and it not only focuses on the theory part, but it also focuses on the practical part of the world, which is now we are gathered in this event now, which is held by the William Carey University and the prime, and I would love to talk a bit about my product. It's vast cozy creation. I crochet flowers like roses, daisies, different types of flowers. The reason why I started crocheting is that I've seen on special days we love to give flowers to our loved ones, but in the long run they wither away. But I crochet these flowers so that in the long run they stay fresh forever and they don't wither away. And yeah, my target audience are the youngsters, and I love and hope for them to come and buy. Thank you.
Kita jong ada Ivan, ngade na po prime, but ke bangi yui hang ni bangi one ban le kene exhibition bat ka William Carey University bat ka prime. Kari ka jing support jong ka prime startup. Ke ka prime startup hub kari ka prime startup kari ka initiative jong ka government of Meghalaya bangi yarap kini ki entrepreneurs ngado ka liang ka funding, ngado ka liang ka market linkage. Nanti ki training but kiwe but PE hang ni ki entrepreneurs hang ni ba PE ba ki dan hang ni ki long ki ba ka ni ka college ka ni ka university ka William Carey University ka collaborate but ni ka prime standard hub but kadi naka ESL ni academic but ni support yakini ki college yakini ki university la ni ki college ki badan ha hapot Meghalaya ling ba kini ki ESLs but kini ki isal ki dan kum kini ki exhibition lani ki dan ki seminar ki ba ki collaborate bat ngi ki prime startup hub nado ba ngi la dan kini ki academic department kani ka sector lani ki isal kani ka adi ka bonsen ba ngi collaborate bat kini ki college lani ki university ki ba dan ka isal bat ka prime hub ka jikshin benta na ngai tanat ba ki banshu ang na ko ma ki por ki ba menchua Pin yoi ba kilong dunaha ki bandan kena ka entrepreneurial mindset jong ki kena jaka puli handai menta pat kila i ba kila kamlong pair pat ka mindset jong ki namaki sto ba hoot kin pasang ka kam sarkar handai lada kimyo kam sa ke ka backup plan jong ki te menta ki ngai kalong bai tanat ba ki kena ba menta ki kena puli kilong ba hoot ki dan tak jingmut ban nam ta ka menyelai exam nam kam sakaru pat ki le lang kani ru kilong ka side by side khnang ba dada kimlong chani kilayo chani but kewi ba ngai ba khaching ki kren jonga enta ai jonga ba kini ki khna kilong ba ki khambon kilong ba ki kwa belong entrepreneur banya ba le kam sarkar nama ba ki i ba ka khambha bonsha banya ka bale kam sarkar hangni kila belong ki nong sam kam kila ban ai kam ki wei but kidan ki ideas ba ngano khampai pakhat ba kandan kum kini ki ideas te nga kermen ba kini ki khna ki baile kini ba kinang ya chakamat ba kin dan kata ka passion ba but kilong dedicate ke ba kile menta hangni ka message ki kon samla ki kalong ba lada fidan kinu ki ideas lane ki jingmot ki entrepreneurship mindset berfidan ki idea pila ban one shangi ka prime but in yarap ya ki mansu ang no kum kini ki khna le ki badan ha ba ki college lane ba ki university ki badan kini ki isel ni dan kata ka tengering fun ki bang yarap kini khna kindan kita ki idea ki balong very innovative kila ban one lingba ki isel ta kin pitch ki isel lada ki idea jong ki long feasible kila ban le prototyping na prototyping pat kila ban test ban research ba whether kita ka ki prototype jong ki bakile ka ya yau ne am but hakani ka liang ka prime lingba ka isel jong kini college ka ai jingerap yaki grant harus sanpau hajar te ka kai ka mon ong ba lada fidan ka idea วัดชาบากพินองบากะจิงบอมดอนพิซซ่ากะจงพีกันข้างนอกกะจิงกว่าในกะไอเดียจงพีแล้วถ้าพี่ดันกี่ไอเดียวันจะกี่อิสระแล้วนี่วันจะโปะไพร์บัดพี่pitchกี่ไอเดียจงพีบัดลาดากิลอง feasible งี้คล้อยบัญญารับนำมากะไพร์สารพัดกะได้นำตะกี้ entrepreneurship บัญญารับยากีฮีตั้งแต่เอากี่คณะสำลากี่บาดอน any ideas วันชงีกี่คล้อยบัญญารับเขาอาจเงิน promise ยาพีบางเงินอากัดทางเงินอากัดนี้เห็นได้วัน pitch ไว้กี่ไอเดียบัดลาดากิลอง feasible เงินสเปกเงินสเปกนำตัวกี่ไอเดียจงพีนำตัวเงินสายาขมัดกัน
Firstly, I would like to thank our Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya for taking the initiative of implementing Prime Meghalaya in our state. So with Prime Meghalaya, we're getting the support, a lot of support regarding the incubation, the funding to all the academic institutions. So these kind of activities also helps these kind of young entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs to come up forward and showcase their talent so that they can get the opportunities, they can sell their products, they can participate in all kind of exposure. Not only that, even our students also, we have a lot of support from Prime, which is this student ticketing fund. So from time to time, I used to influence our students to kindly participate in these kind of activities so that they can create a network and opportunities with all these entrepreneurs. So you can have a good relationship with them. Apart from this, in this event, we also have entrepreneurs from Prime Meghalaya, beneficiaries of Prime Meghalaya. We have existing entrepreneurs, self-funded. We also have our students from our university. These students actually they're having the courses under the NEP, which is NEP 2020. So they are taking up this paper apart from the theory learning. Also, they participate in these kind of activities to get the real platform of what is entrepreneurship is all about. So this helps them in creating an entrepreneurial ecosystem, exposure with these kind of existing entrepreneurs. So this is a very good opportunity for them. So I encourage anyone also who wants to participate, who wants to enroll in a entrepreneurship development cell. We welcome them all. So even our Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Samla, from time to time, she encouraged our students to participate, to enroll ourselves so that we can support them financially through Prime support systems. So regarding this expo, they will be commencing from today, the 24th of April, till tomorrow, the 25th of April. So I also welcome to all who wants to join for this program, who wants to participate in these stalls, can come forward and showcase their talents, which is a very good opportunity for them.